Hey y'all, it's your girl Jordan and I'm back with another video. Yes, it has been a minute, but I am back. In this Get Ready With Me, I am showing y'all my soft natural glam makeup routine, no foundation at all. In this video, I was just rushing to the club. I was just prepping my skin really quick, but if y'all want to see a in-depth skincare routine, please let me know in the comments. Me and my friend, we were getting ready for the club, so if you see me laughing, smiling, we was spilling tea, you know how that go. But a time was had that night. I don't want to see no more Don Julio, no more Casamigos, none of it, G, for real. Now let's get into the makeup. So I'm priming my face with e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Love it down. Now I'm going in with the Kiss concealers. As y'all can see, it's full coverage. Love them. I got these from my local beauty supply store for like $7 each. Go grab them. So I'm going in with the lightest shade underneath my eyes, then the shade that's my skin tone, and then I'm going in with one more shade that's like one shade lighter than my skin tone, and then I'm just gonna blend that out. So y'all are gonna see me blend out my concealer with these brushes that I got from Shein. Everything that I'm using will be on the screen or linked down below. So now I am blending my under eye concealer with a powder puff. I got these off of Amazon. I love these. They work really good. Like, I used to blend my under eye concealer with a brush, but these just give me such a smooth finish and I really love it. I always take one with me, throw it in my purse. Yes, love it. But now y'all see me going in with a little brush. This also came in the Shein bundle of brushes that I got, and I'm just blending out that concealer that I put on the bridge of my nose. And so now I'm taking the first brush that I had, and I'm just making sure there's no harsh lines. I'm going in with the Fenty powder. I love this stuff. It gives me no flashback, and it's really changed my makeup game. Before, I forgot what I was using, but it always gave me flashback and I hated it. So I would say invest in a good setting powder, and Fenty is one of them. So I'm just setting underneath my eyes, on the top of my lip, and any place where I get like oily or kind of shiny at. So now I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match blendable powder, and I'm setting the rest of my face. I'm going to contour my nose a little bit with it. Right now I'm just defining my contour, making sure there's no harsh lines. You're going to see me take a brush, blend it out a little bit. And next, I'm going to set my face. If you are a matte girly, get this setting spray. It works really good. Especially if you're an oily person like me. Yes, get it. It works. Now we're doing the brows. Yes, I'm going in with Duo Lash Glue because no eyebrow gel works for me. I don't fill in my eyebrows. I just like to lay them down. I like the laminated brow look. As y'all can tell, I am going in with some more because it's just not laying down flat enough for me. But yes, if eyebrow gels tend to not work for you, I suggest using Duo Lash Glue. Now I'm taking my Milani palette and I'm going in with some shadow, just a little bit on my eyes. Next, lashes. I'm going in with my Morphe Wink and Wow. I love this stuff. I actually got this on sale, and I believe it was at TJ Maxx, and it was like $5. Yeah, so if you are a makeup girly on a budget, try TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, even the beauty supply store, girl. It is a way around this to get some high-end products for cheap. Next, I'm going in with, I got these lashes from Shein, y'all. I'm using the Duo Lash Glue. We almost done. As y'all see, I'm dancing. My friend rushing me. Girl, now I'm going in. I'm doing some blush with the same Milani palette. I am on a search to find some good liquid blush. So if y'all have any recommendations, leave that down in the comments for me, please. Yes, I love to put blush on my nose. I don't know, I just feel like it's very girly, very cute. Now I'm lining my lip with an NK Makeup lip pencil in the color Wild Cherry. Got this from the beauty supply store as well. I believe it's like $1. Look at that color. Love it. This is my signature lip combo. I do this every time. I just love it. And now I'm going in with that Max lip gloss in the color Nude. Got that from the beauty supply store as well. And now we just blend it out. I would like to take this time to shout out my business. Please shop the JC collection. We have new things dropping, new things coming. And please follow our Instagram. It will be linked down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching my video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.